Hey friends, so if your computer is facing issues like crashed files or certain applications are not opening, then the real reason could be that a lot of system files could be missing or corrupt. And to fix that, your first approach should be a SFC scan or system file checker scan. So I'll explain the procedure for this. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Now, in the elevated command prompt window, type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter. This will initiate the SFC scan. Now, this scan will need a lot of time. As you can see, it is only verifying right now. After that, it will be downloading the files, then installing the files. So you can work while the scan is happening. And once the scan has completed, you can reboot your system. After that, it can fix a lot of issues. I hope this was helpful. If yes, then please let us know in the comment section. If not, then please let us know that in the comment section as well. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.